Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Farfetch haul. Now these items you can shop on Farfetch. I actually have a Luxe Petite edit page so you can easily shop these items. I also have a coupon code so you can get some dollars off your purchase. Thank you again to Farfetch. Now let's get into the haul. Now the first item I wanted to share are these stunning Manolo Blahnik Hangisi pumps. These are in this beautiful purple, more like pop of fuchsia. Now we all know we love a pop of color on this channel, and I thought these were perfect, especially for holiday parties, even just to go out for a nice dinner. I do have these Hangisi pumps in other colors. I think the neutral flesh color is so pretty. This one I thought was just the perfect kind of pop of color you can add to like an outfit like what I'm wearing right now. I would recommend taking your true to size. I'm typically a 7.5, so I took a 37.5 in these pumps. Also, what's key, I like the 70mm version. There is some higher heel heights, but this one by far is my favorite, and it's comfortable most of all. So definitely recommend this pump. Again, I will have this linked on my page. My next item is a Toteme sweater. This is a beautiful cashmere cable knit sweater. Guys, this is so comfortable. I just love cashmere, and it's in a beautiful off-white color. And of course, they have other colors. I love this knit. I've been kind of wearing it non-stop lately. It's just such an easy piece, and I'll certainly get a lot of wear for it. Toteme, they do have some other great basics. I love that when I received this item in the mail, it actually came with the Toteme packaging, so it was really nice touch to this whole luxe experience. My next item is from one of my favorite brands, and it's Veronica Beard. This shirt, I love the cute cutouts. I think that's such a fun design on this basic white shirt, and it's a button up. It's even got these cute little sleeves. Super cute. I think this is something that I can wear to the office and easily after work, say for dinner and drinks. And to continue with Veronica Beard, I did get a dress. I love green. I think green is such a neutral. In this particular style, a size 10. I'm petite but curvy, so it definitely looks best in that particular size. My next item is this beautiful green dress I got from Norma Kamali. I just love her design, and I thought this would be the perfect dress for holiday parties. I plan to wear this to my husband's work party, so pretty excited I could find this. I think this works well on figures like my curvy petite hourglass shape, given all this ruching here. Now this dress does come in other colors and styles in case you want something different than the long sleeves in this green color. I just really love this green. I think it's such a fresh take for the season. Okay guys, that is it for my Farfetch haul. What was your favorite item from my haul? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to check out my Luxe Petite edit for other items and my coupon code. Thank you again to Farfetch. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.